here. I see Selena Gomez wearing my jeans.
This is the cops! Put your hands up!
I'm not even... You don't want me. You want the guy down the street.
He's jacking a car with a donut! Let's get him!
Oh, me? Oh, cool. Let's go. Wait, who are we looking for? Come on.
Wait a second.
It's that tree.
You're the kid on Sugar High.
Hey, how you doing? Ow! My necklace. Oh, a newspaper. You know what I could do with this? Hey, little boy, you want to... Kid, look at the sports magazine. Come over here. No.
Come over here, look at this.
Are you hitting me?
Oh, look at this. It's cool. This is censored by the parental stuff. Word.
Just gotta double check. Oh, bye.